Here's what's new in Android 17 Beta 3 for Pixel devices. We'll cover all of Android 17 Beta 3's new features and all changes. 1. Android 17 replace with Cinnamon Bun codename. 2. Separate mobile data and Wi-Fi toggle buttons. 3. Enable App Bubble for specific app. 4. Redesign screen recording. 5. Show or hide app names from the home screen. Go to home screen and long press on the blank space. Tap on Wallpaper and Style. Scroll and tap Icons. Tap Names. Toggle off Show App Names to hide the label from the home screen app. 6. Expanded dark theme for specific app. Swipe down the quick panel twice from the top, then long press Dark Theme to view expanded settings. Tap the Settings gear icon to enable or disable dark mode for individual app. 7. Change photo sticker layout to 9:16 portrait. 8. New Assistant Volume. Settings, Sound and Vibration, Assistant Volume. 9. New UI to Location Permission Panel. 10. Pixel Launcher Search Bar Regression. And that's all about new changes to the latest Android 17 Beta 3 update on Google Pixel devices.